So he's
play action, zipped across the middle, and that's beautifully executed.
contact there.
Pass interference, defense number 1, 15-yard penalty, automatic.
Yeah, I think
Penalty.
You still see size, girth.
Hypno-toed, and will create some kind of tournament here, but that's reaching a bit. Ball to the end zone. Bowers, touchdown! Continues to dazzle.
He's beat off the line of scrimmage.
You can't crank the tempo. He only ran 20.
That left arm is the problem. Reaching around was fine, but that left arm did restrict.
Georgia is not done in the first half.
By the way, Jalen Carter got pressure again.
On both sides. Bear Alexander.
In the middle of that defense. Defense block.
Start this game, and they do get the football to begin the second half as well.
We've been cleared for landing.
McConkey. And 1st and 20. Edwards. Knocked down.
Gillespie just calls the defense to get on the side.
Eyes in the pitches that night, and then 348 for Stroud with his 4 touchdowns. And a lot of people thought, can Georgia?
They got their hands full with his front so far.
Speaking of hands full, his right hand was
Around the corner, barrels down.
They left himself out of position or
They busted open here. He's being used.
comfortable in this offense since
McConkey.
McConkey the eyes of that TCU defense, and it cost him.
McConkey.
Him up early tonight.
McConkey's
Hodges Tomlinson with the back out of McConkey.
McConkey going. McConkey. Second down. 3-man rush. Launching downfield. Darius Davis is wide open. Has to wait in the throw. Roller skate. McConkey
Down.
Holding.
Monday got it down, and now
All right now, they're getting off of blocks.
the strength is in mind.